Find the value of each trigonometric ratio. So a ratio is either a dot dot b colon b or a over b. So we're doing cosine. So this ratio would be adjacent over hypotenuse. And I want angle C. So I look at angle C. I see my 90-degree angle, so 50 is my hypotenuse. And I look at angle C, and next to it is 30. So I have 30 over 50. I can reduce that to 3/5. Number 3, tan, well, that ratio is opposite over adjacent, because it's TOA. Angle A, if I walk across, I see 15. The adjacent to angle A is 36, because 39 is the hypotenuse. 15 divided by 36. This reduces to 5 over 12. 5, I'm looking for the ratio for cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. I want angle A. So the adjacent to angle A would be 40. The hypotenuse is 41. That cannot be reduced. For 7 through 10 on your homework, you're writing the trigonometric ratio to the nearest 10,000ths. So you're going to have, might have a number, a decimal, and 4 places after it. So you just have to put in your calculator, whatever the trig function is, and then the degree, and enter. So the first one is 0.3256. Again, if I put cosine of 77, I get 0.22495. Well, this 5 causes that to round up. It'll be 0.2250 as the answer. 11 and 12 are also similar to your homework. You're finding the missing side. So you should always label your triangle first. You see a right angle. If you walk across, that's your hypotenuse. There's no number or variable there. Your angle you look at is 24. Walk across, you see 11, so that's the opposite. Next to 24 is x, so that's your A. You set it up, tan of the angle equals the opposite over adjacent. Put a 1 here, we cross multiply. Going to have x times tan of 24. The tan and the degree always stay together, and 11 times 1 is 11. To get the tan away from the x, I divide. I have to do the same to both sides of the equation, and in your calculator you type in 11 divided by tan of 24, and you get 24.7. If you would like to skip this step, when you see the variable on the bottom, you know you take the number on top and divide it by tan. 12, again, there is nothing on the hypotenuse leg. I'm looking at 56. The opposite is 16. Adjacent is x. So tan of 56 equals the opposite over adjacent. So again, I'm going to be dividing 16 divided by tan of 56. And it's 10.8. For 13 through 15, similar to your homework, you're finding the indicated angle to the nearest degree. And number 13, you see a right angle. So you walk across, there is a number, so that is h, your hypotenuse. Your angle you're looking for is right here, and it has something next to it, the 6, so that's A. So I'm using cosine. I don't know the angle. The adjacent is 6, the hypotenuse is 8. So I type in second cosine. That will make cosine of -1 appear, and I use the ratio 6 divided by 8. and you should get 41 degrees for the answer. 15. This time, across from the right angle is nothing, so you do not have a hypotenuse. And this is the angle you're looking at. Opposite is 40. Adjacent is A. So tan of the angle is the opposite over the adjacent. So second tan 40 divided by 13. And you get 71 degrees. Well, 71.9, which rounds up to 72 degrees.